Auzubillahi Bismillah Rahman Rahim. Dear students, respectable parents, and the teachers of Bakhtavar Cadet College for Girls, Nawab Shah, Assalamu Alaikum. This short video is in relation to the board examination, which we are going to go through shortly within the next maybe 10 days or 2 weeks' time. First, the class 10th will have the board examination, immediately followed by class 9th. And then after Eid, we shall be having the examinations of first year class. The purpose of this short video is twofold. One, to talk on the exam stress and how it is generated, how it should be managed. And the second is for the satisfaction of the parents and the students, just to share with you what the college administration is doing on their part to make sure that your exam is conducted in the best possible manner, and through that process you get the best results, the best fruits. First of all, my dear cadets, stress in any competitive environment is a natural phenomenon. Don't get so much worried that if you get stressed up, it's something, it's a natural. Each one of us who are your teachers, including myself, even your parents who have been through examination, they know that the stress close to examination is a natural phenomenon. If it is managed to a certain satisfactory level, it's good, because it generates in you the capacity to work hard and to work to the fullest of your limits. It helps you to synergize your energies which your body and brain has, but you don't use it in the normal environment. In the competitive, for example, in the marathon race, or in the for example, the sprints, 400 meters or a kilometer race, 1000 meter race, if you concentrate on the person who wins, he is the one who is generating maximum spirit to sprint. Now that's exactly what should be at this moment of time. If you get overstressed, it's dangerous, because if you get overstressed, it will stiffen your body, right? And if your body is stiff, what happens is that brain starts working to reduce your stress. It generates hormones so that your body is relaxed and the stress levels are brought to an optimum level. Now, if you do this, now those hormones which are required at this moment of time to remember the questions, memorize, understanding, those hormones shall be used now to reduce your stress. But if you're managing the stress very well, you're a good stress manager, you maintain it to the optimum level, those hormones will be used to memorize the things, to quickly understand the things, right? So, my dear students, first of all, try to manage your stress. How? The moment you see that the body is getting stiff, you're getting too much stress, tension, try to do these stress relieving exercises. Even you have been doing those PT exercises, you can do it in your room, right? Leave the study for 5-10 minutes, relax, take deep breathing, right? And all those students who offer namaz is the best stress relieving exercise, because it movement of the body, and sujood is the best stress relieving exercise, right? So, dear students, you should not get stressed, right? Dear parents, it's for you, respectable parents. At this moment, we do understand that you have a lot of expectations from your boards, from your children, particularly from your daughters who are with us. Now, in that emotion of your love bond with your daughters, what you are doing is that at times you try to, instead of helping your daughter, or your ward to relieve the stress, you become a source of stress yourself, because you start asking your daughter or your ward, work hard, do this, do this, do this. Well, it's good if you do it to a safe limit, as I was telling the students. That if you manage your stress to the safe limit, it's good. But overtaking the stress is dangerous. Similarly, your love with your children during close to exam, instead of your love and interaction and talking with your daughter, you increase her stress, it's dangerous. It will not help you, right? You should at this moment of time trust your daughter, trust the teachers, trust this college, that they must have done the best possible hard work, which is within the to optimum and appropriate level. I assure you that we have worked hard. To the parents, I assure you that we have done everything possible to the best levels, whether it was academic, whether it was facilitation to the students, and to the parents. For example, let me show you that not only that we have excused the PT, games and everything, and the students are 24/7 just concentrating on their academics. Beside that, first time I have offered them a kind of a refreshment pack at night once they will be studying. So each student shall be given the chocolates, juice, biscuits and the chips till their 15 days from the examination, right? Now this is what we are doing best. We are teaching them, we are feeding them, we are trying our level best to coach them well. 24/7, they are just concentrated. All the teachers are with the students, trying to revise, trying to give them the mock-up test, trying to coach them extra mile at the last moment so that they perform well. So, dear parents, my request to you is please don't try to overstress your daughters, and don't try to overstress the administration and the teachers of the college by calling us unnecessarily. We welcome your calls. We will welcome you once you come to meet us. But at this moment of time, you're unnecessarily calling for, say, getting details. What is the time of the paper? It doesn't matter to you as a parent what time is the paper. We and the board are the best. We will try our best possible time, and definitely the board is the board chairman is a wonderful professional man. Secondly, asking unnecessary questions, queries, that will put us also in stress, the administration also in stress. So bear with us. We have done the best. We have last day till last day, even during the exams, our teachers will be with the students, the administration will be with the students, making sure that they are fed well, they are prepared academically well, they are trained well to go through the examination, and inshallah perform well. My respectable teachers, I greatly appreciate that you have been a wonderful teachers, you have been a great teachers, and I'm proud of you. Now, during these last days, I appreciate your devotion, your commitment, that day and night you are working with the students. But at the same time, at this moment, at times even the teacher also starts giving stress to the students. Try not to induce stress into your students. Try to be a source of relaxation for your students. That's very important, right? You, in these days, next 1.5 months, once we are going through the board examination of 10th, 9th and the first year, this is your jihad time, my dear teachers, my respectable teachers. So you are in the battlefield, and but there is no opponent, alhamdulillah, right? Only the marks are your performance. I greatly appreciate the board authorities. We are constantly, since last 1.5 months, we are constantly in touch with the board authorities. The chairman, Dr. Farooq, is a great professional. Control examination is a very competent person. and complete board staff of Nawab Shah board is a wonderful combination of any organization. So parents have trust that it's not Hyderabad board or any board, it does not matter at all. What does matter is that how best your students, your wards, your son or daughter is put through an examination, and it is ensured that he achieves what is on the merit. I assure you 110% that best possible merit positions shall be inshallah obtained by your daughters, right? And parents, I request you to relax, pray for your daughters, particularly the mothers must offer Nawafil daily for your daughters, and the fathers also, whenever you get time, try to pray for your daughter and relax. Trust your daughter and trust the college. We jointly and combinedly, inshallah, perform well. Bakhtabar Cadet College, Paindabad, Pakistan Zindabad, and best of luck to all of you.